Just picked up a 12-inch shifter extension, some brass fittings, and of course some air holes. I have standard tools, adjustable wrenches, and you're gonna need some torque bits. First thing you want to do is pull down the rubber boot. I mean, no real scientific way of doing it. And then have a little foam insulation piece. Now, your air lines are right here. It should be a red line, a black line, and it's a torque bit in the front and torque bit in the back. And with the fittings for the air holes, all you do, you push up on this piece, then pull the line nut down. Next thing you do now is undo this jam nut. So on the shifter, the easiest way to do it, it's like notches right here where you can put your adjustable on. So what I was told, some guy that works in the chrome shop, use Teflon tape on the threads. He said don't use Loctite. So now, put the jam nut on, I have Teflon tape on the threads. Now installing the air lines, it's easy. You put them in there, you give them a little tug, and basically you make sure there's no air leaks. Well, just push it all the way in, as much it will go. A little tug, it's locked in there. So, take the brass fitting, do the same on here, pop that in there, give it a little tug. So now I'll just measure this, cut it, and do the same thing. Slide it in and give it a little tug. And I'll do the same thing for the other side. Alright, so all the air holes is installed, brass fittings is in. Next thing you want to do is make sure there's no air leaks. And I always give it a little extra slack. You take that down, zip tie it. I mean, all done. I just took a bandana. I should have got it from the dollar store, but paid $5 at the truck stop. Some zip ties, one in the middle, one at the top. Did the little design fold over. So it looks clean. I mean, I like it. That's all that matters.